Did you know sealing air leaks in a drafty home can save more than 20% on your heating and cooling bills? Adding weather stripping is a simple way to keep outdoor air where it belongs. Here's what you'll need: a weather stripping set. There are several types of weather stripping available. The kind you should use depends on your budget and the size of the air leak or gap. We're using a metal V-strip with a nail kit, hammer, scissors, measuring tape, rags, safety goggles. Now let's get started. First, if you have an existing older weather stripping, remove it using a hammer. Next, wipe down the door molding with a wet rag, then a dry one. Measure the door frame to determine the lengths of weather stripping you'll need. To fully seal your exterior door, apply weather stripping around each section where the door meets the frame. Here we're applying the V-strip to the side of frame where the door closes. Cut the V-strip to fit the top and side sections of the door frame. Next, attach the V-strip with the nails positioned toward the inside of the home. Bend the unattached side to create a tension seal. Repeat these steps on the top and all side sections of the door frame. Remember, you can weather strip around windows too. Sealing air leaks is one of the best ways to save energy. Want to do more? We're here to help. Contact us to learn more about ways to save energy.